Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. So today I'm going to be unboxing this special device which I've been waiting for a very long time. It's the DJI Mini 2. I've gone for the combo package because it means I get the 3 batteries in the pack with the case as well. And the reason why I've gone for DJI Mini 2 is because this is my first time flying. I'm not experienced, so I much rather go with the older model and learn before I go for the more advanced ones. And I've also gone for this one in particularly because it's 249 gram, which is under the 250 gram legal requirements to have a drone pilot license. But however, you do have to do the registration even though it's under 250 gram, and I believe it's a yearly subscription, which is £9 a year in the UK, which you have to do. It's a mandatory requirement to register your drone regardless of its weight. However, if it's over 250 gram, you have to ascertain a drone license, drone pilot's license, which is much more lengthier. So let's unbox. So the DJI Mini 2, ultra light and foldable, so it's very light. It weighs 249 gram. Flight time is 31 minutes, but that obviously depends and varies on weather conditions and how you're flying. 10 kilometer video transmission, and also level 5 wind resistant. 3-axis gimbal camera, 4K video recording. It can do panorama, quick shots, and one-tap video recordings. So the box contains one aircraft, which is a drone, a shoulder bag, screwdriver, a remote controller, RC cable ×3, spare propellers 3 pairs, flight battery ×3, and 1 USB-C cable, manual, 2-way charging hub, 1 pair of spare control stick. Nice and easy carry case. By the way, to fly this drone you have to be age 16 plus. The box is empty. The case is very nice, smooth. It's not leather, but it has a really nice feel to it. It's very grainy. Basic information what the product inside contains. So you have here, product is DJI Mini 2 shoulder bag. This is the bag. The color is black. Fabric is 100% polyester, made in China. Oh, look at that. So in the bag we have a pocket here with spares. Okay, so we have screws and spare propellers. How many do we have? 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 1 screw, and 2 spare control stick for your controller. I'm going to put them back in there and check out the drone now. Okay. Let's get the accessories out. Let's look at the accessories first and then we'll check the rest out. So here we have a quick start guide. basic information about how to download the app. So setting up your drone and the controller, and then setting up your drone and how to set up your controller with your phone. And then how to check battery level. At the back here you do have a bit more basic information about flying. Okay. And here we have, this is the information of basically to get support from DJI, how to contact them. And then you have the two-way charging hub for the 3 spare batteries. So the spare batteries all can be charged together, information. And then this is the DJI Mini 2 disclaimer and safety guide. So very important information, which I shall read thoroughly later in several different languages. In here are the accessories. Have a look. So here we have a charging brick. Here we have the USB-C connectors. That's the 2 spare battery, and the third one with the DJI will go in there, so you can charge all 3 together. And then we have the USB-C to USB-A cable. So this is empty now. Let's check this out. So this is the two-way charging hub. So we have the 2 spare battery here, and the last one would go in there if we wanted to charge all 3 together. Trees, you just click on this and pull out. Just the click motion here. Let's check out the controller now. Wow, that looks good. I love the grey color. There is some battery in there because the indicator lights are flashing. This is rubber, so it won't slip out when you're controlling. You'll have to obviously get it all ready, set it up. So you've got the buttons here to operate, and then you'll have the controllers here, footage for shooting, and then this is where you put your phone in. So what phone do I have to show as an example? Let's use this old iPhone and see how that fits in. I'm recording with the S22 Ultra at the moment. There you go. There you go. Looks quite good. The reason why I'm pointing it out a bit more that way because of the volume up and down button and power on switch button, so it's not centralized. The back here you have the recording and footage that you can take from this button, and then you have the zooming on and off lever or changing modes. I'm not sure, I'll have to read it up, and once it's on I can see what each of the button does. But you have a knob here that goes round, which I'm assuming you can zoom in and out, and then you have the recording and the footage capture button here. Already have a 2 attached here for your controller. How do I get it out? There we are. here we go, ready to fly. I just need to charge it up. Let's check out the drone now. So here we have the drone. Wow, that is beautiful. Look how small that is. My hand is very small, by the way, so this is how small this drone is. Okay, let's take this off. It comes inside a case of its own that you can just, so the propellers don't wiggle about, I guess, when you're putting them away, and doesn't get damaged. So you'll put it in here and then put it away. This is made out of plastic, hard plastic, and this is rubber, made out of rubber. You've got a little click on button here which pulls open and close. So as you can see, we have the camera here. Very nice. Beautiful. Let's take this off. So you need to charge the battery before first use to activate it. So the battery is here. And then you have the charging port there. You have the microSD card port here. This is when you're landing, for it to be leveled up. And then you've got the indicator lights for landing, or flight lights, I don't know what they're called. Then you have some more indicator lights. Here we have the camera. Take the stickers off. So you can see the camera is there. When you operate it, you'll easily move to take certain pictures at certain position. Okay, so this is closed now. I'm assuming this is another light when operating. You get the microphones here. Okay, let's open it up. See, when you're unfolding, unfold the front arm forward and unfold the rear arms downward. So it opens up to 28 centimeter, or roughly, yeah, 28.5 centimeter. Yep. And this way 17 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Okay, so it's not very big. So I'm going to charge this up, do a test and show how it works, and do a review. So do subscribe and like and comment down below with any questions, and keep that notification button on for my next video on this DJI Mini 2 drone. So that's all for today. When I do registry, I'll also show you guys, just to show you what the requirements are, as I'm actually finding out information as I'm going along. So I don't have everything at hand yet. so I'll do another video anyway about the requirements as well. This drone as part of a package of the combo pack, which included the 3 batteries, 3-way charging with the drone, so it was slightly cheaper, whereas if you buy 1 battery and then you buy a spare battery, it'll cost you more. And then on top of that, as part of this, I bought this 128 gig micro SD card as part of the package, which makes the cost of this card slightly cheaper, as I was buying as part of a package rather than individually. This is a really good one with which is meant to be really fast. So I'll leave the link in the description box as well. Inside the bag you have different compartment to put each of the items in, and you have a small pocket if you wanted to put things in, and you have a zipper pocket here which you put all the spare parts in. And then you have a shoulder strap here, which yeah, it's long enough to be used as a crossbody strap, I think. Let me check it out. Yep, it's long enough. You can extend it more to use it as a crossbody strap as well, or a shoulder strap. You have another pocket here. Disguise pocket where you can put things in as well. So we bought this from Amazon. I'll leave it, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description box for you to check it out. If you do purchase from the link, I will get a small commission, but it will not cost you anything. So that's all for today for the unboxing of DJI Mini 2 drone, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.